made it this far, thank you so much. We're rounding up towards the end. This particular slide might take more than one video, but I want to go over these because I think they're just so powerful. Uh, the title says keyboard shortcuts in Chrome, but as I get towards the bottom, some of them are available elsewhere as well. But your hands are ready to type the URL you want to go to. And of course, you can always go up to the plus button to open a new tab. But if you'd like to open the new tab and then just start typing and not have to worry about that keyboard to mouse to keyboard thing, just hit Control T to open a new tab. So Control T and you start typing Google Drive, and suddenly you're there in, I don't know, 2 to 5 seconds less than it might take someone else to get there, right? And whoopsie doodles. So let's say we're here and you're on my classroom website and you're looking at the flip fairy tales and whatever we're working on in class right now, and you're trying to close something or you're closing a bunch of things to help you focus. Whoops, I closed that. How do I get back there? Well, I love this keyboard command so much. It's related to Control T, but instead of just opening a brand new tab and trying to find out where you were, if it's the last tab that was closed, you had a whoopsie doodle, click Control Shift T, and it will open up the most recent closed tab. What else do I want to show you? I've also noticed that sometimes when, I'm just big on I don't like moving from keyboard to mouse to keyboard to mouse. So if you'd like to navigate through your tabs without clicking up here, sometimes you're taking notes from here and you want to put them in here, you can hit Control Tab to move to the next tab. And you can either use Control Tab to cycle all the way through, or if you know you're going from tab A to tab B, you can do Control Tab to get to the second tab and Control Shift Tab to go backwards. And of course, you can also go backwards multiple times. It's basically a clockwise or anti-clockwise kind of thing. In case the Control Shift T isn't enough, you can hit Control H. Sometimes it works in one of the other Chrome tabs, and sometimes it doesn't. So I'm going to open a new tab first and then hit Control H. This is your browsing history from all of forever. And so what's really nice about that is you can go, yeah, that's right. I was in that 2:00 meeting and I clicked on that one link, and you can go back and find the thing you need and click on it. And if you want to go back to your Business Insider article, for example, you click on it there and you're suddenly there. Notice that it didn't open that in a new tab. So the back arrow is how I'd get back to my history. The other thing you can do is go, oh my gosh, it was something about, let me see, get a good example, reader mode. So I'm going to just type in the word reader. Oh, gotcha. So this is how to use Google Chrome's hidden reader mode. That's the article I was looking for. In case you don't like that it opens in the tab you currently have open, and you'd like to keep your history open, you can right click and open it in a new tab.